Hello, sunshines. So this is a video that's going to walk you through what your student survey is and kind of why we're doing it. We're about 2 months, give or take a little bit, depending on how much you've been here, into the school year. So I just wanted to give you some time that you could do at home on your own and not feel pressured or rushed to answer, to get some feedback so you can share your thoughts and experiences and anything like that. You have to answer all of these. Sorry, not sorry. The first question is, what is one thing that's going well for you? It can be in school in general, in this class, it's up to you. One thing that's going well, that's working, it's working for you. What is one thing that could be better for you? So maybe something that you're struggling with, something that you need change, something that you want to change, again, in school in general, at home, in this class, it's open-ended. This third question, are we moving through information and skills too fast? You need more time to understand it, to work with it, to practice it. Too slowly, you're really bored, and you're like, I got it, like let's move on. Or it's the right pace, like you have enough time to process and understand, but you're not bored. Number 4, would it be helpful to have time in class to work on practicing organizational and time management skills? So would it be helpful to build more time into class so that when you're on your remote days at home, you feel better prepared with organizing your time and managing your time? Number 5, if you could completely change one thing about class, what would it be? You can totally change anything and make it exactly what you need. What would that be? And kind of tell me why. Give me some context or some information. And then number 6, if you could keep one thing about class exactly the same, what would it be? So tell me what the thing is that you would keep the same, and why would you keep it the same? Why is it working for you? And this last one, I think number 7, is there anything else you think I should know? Kind of like the first 2, pretty open-ended. Just anything else that you think I should know that would be helpful for me to know to move us through the next chunk of time.